What's up, boys? Welcome back to another Engineered for Speed video. I got a little too excited and started working on the car without filming. So today's video, I'm putting in a Stage 2 Blox Racing Turbo Cam in the Civic, and I already have it completely disassembled here. So here's the valve cover, the old cam, the rocker assembly there. New Felpro gasket for the new cam when the UPS man decides to show up. Let's bring it out of the car. There we go, there's under the hood. Nice bath of oil there. Got everything taken off there. I got a new cam key and bolt for the cam gear. I'll show you that here. Here's the AEM cam gear I have. And then here's a brand new OEM Honda keyway. And then here's a brand new titanium cam gear stud kit. And then this is for a later video. This is a shifter upgrade spring. And this is also detent spring kit for transmission. And then in here is a 355 LPH E85 compatible fuel pump for the fuel system. These will all be in later videos of the series here on the car. Trying to get us all done going autocrossing here on September 27th. That'll be a pretty cool video. Going with another YouTuber. We'll make some cool content, and it's going to be a really fun day. So I will check back in with you guys when the UPS man finally shows up. Alright, boys, the cam and throttle body got here, finally. Guessing that the throttle body's in this box here. Here's the throttle body. There's the gasket. Hardware. And here it is. This looks like really good high quality stuff here. And here is the cam. Let me pull it out of the bag. There it is next to the old one. Pretty beefy. Got the new cam in here with the new Felpro cam seal on the end. Time to get the rocker assembly here. I'll need two hands for this, so I'll come back to you guys once I have it sitting on the engine. Alright guys, so I have the rocker assembly back on here. Just sitting there. I gotta tighten everything up yet. I gotta look up online here what the specs are supposed to be for torque, and I'll let you guys know. So these ones right in here, those are 14 foot-pounds, and the ones on the end are 8 foot-pounds. Alright boys, it's a few days later here. I had some issues with the car. I couldn't start it. I put the new cam in. I was turning it over, and it was just going woo, 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 woo. And, like, the motor was spinning, but nothing was happening. And I checked. I had air, I had fuel. And then I checked, I pulled a spark plug out and had it plugged into the spark plug wire. It was sparking. I was like, I don't know what's wrong with it. Maybe it's not in time. So I re-put the motor in compression, top dead center, where you want the timing marks lined up, and watch for the spring on the intake. It's on this side right here to be coming up on cylinder number 1. And then line up, make sure the distributor rotor is lined up with this spark plug wire right here in the distributor, so that they're all lined up together. It still wouldn't go. It was actually, the valves needed adjusted because this cam's bigger. The valves were open, so I had no compression. So I adjusted the valves to 6 thousandths on the intake side and 8 thousandths on the exhaust side, recommended by the instructions for this new cam. and it fired right up. So yeah, we'll give you a start up here. It's a cold start, and let you hear it. It will sound different than once it's tuned, because it's not tuned at the moment. Ignore the belt squeak that's going to happen here when I try and start it. Alright guys, that was the cam install on the Honda. Hope you guys enjoyed. And in the next video here, you'll be seeing either the transmission rebuild process or fuel system install or the intake manifold install. I'm not sure which one I'm going to post next, but yeah, this is Engineered for Speed. So I don't know. See ya.